Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is a Smart Chart. Children, when you ask your classmates about liking of their favorite games, or you want to know marks of your friends, means you are collecting information. And these all information are in numerical form, and this is called data. A set of data can be represented in form of tables, tally marks, bar graphs, pictographs, etc. So, a smart chart is stand for representing data smartly. In this class, we will learn about them. So, let us start with tabular form. Children, when we organize data in table form, it is known as tabular form. So we can read and interpret data easily. For example, you have collected information from your class of 40 children as to which is their favorite subject from maths, science, English, Hindi, and EVS. Children, you have asked from each of one about their choice and written on the paper. Suppose 10 children say maths is their favorite subject. 8 children like Hindi, 7 children shown their interest in English. 9 children love to study science, and the remaining 6 children like EVS. So children, the information that you get from each of the children represented in table form. So this is known as tabular representation of the data. And from this table, you can easily tell which subject is the most favorite subject of your friends. Children, here I have represented same information in bar graph. These are the rectangular bars having equal width. Okay, and these bar graph consist of two lines, vertical line and horizontal line. These two lines meet at a point marked as 0. Okay, on vertical line I have marked number of students, and on horizontal line I have marked name of the subjects. Children, I have chosen an appropriate scale to draw this bar graph. Here you can see distance between these two lines are marked as 1 student. Okay, and from this bar graph you can easily draw conclusion that maths is a favorite subject and the least favorite subject is EVS, and out of 40 children 6 children like EVS. Children, hope you all have understood this bar graph. Now children, let us know about tally marks. Children, tally marks are the way of representing data in more organized manner by drawing lines. Here we draw 4 vertical lines as you can see in this picture, and to draw fifth observation we cross the 4 vertical lines, and tally marks are made in group of 5. Okay, you can see here for writing number 4 we draw 4 vertical lines. Okay, and to draw tally marks for number 7 we draw 4 vertical lines, and for the 5th line we cross the 4 line by this diagonal line, and this is group of 5, and after that we will draw 2 more standing line to make it 7, and for 2 we will make 2 vertical line, and for 6 we will make first group of 5, 4 vertical lines, and 1 line that cross the 4 vertical line, and 1 more line. Okay, so this is group of 6, and for 1 we will draw only 1 vertical line. Children, hope you all have understood how can you draw tally marks. Next type of smart chart is pie chart, and it is also known as chapati chart. Children, it is made in circular form. Children, as you can see this chapati chart. This chapati chart shows the number of children in different clubs. So children, this circle is divided in half. This is half part. Yellow is a half part of a circle. It means half of the children have joined games club. Okay, and this blue part is 1/4 of a circle. So 1/4 of the children have joined garden club, and here 1/4 children have joined this drawing club. So children, here the questions are: half the children in the class take part in the games club. 1/4 of the children are members of the garden club, and the drawing club has 1/4 of the children of the class. If there are 200 students in the school, look at the above chapati chart and tell the number of members in each club. Children, here you can see games club have half of the children. It means half of 200. You know how to solve it? Of get converted into multiplication sign, and this is numerator and numerator multiplied together 200, and denominator multiplied together it becomes 2. When you divide 200 by 2, this 2 divided by 2 it comes 1, and this 0. It means 100 children are the members of the games club. Now the garden club has how many members? So you will find out 1/4 of 200. The similar method you will apply. You will multiply numerators. That will be 200. 4. Now 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20, and this 0 will go with this. So 50. The garden club has 50 members, and there are drawing club, and drawing club has also 1/4 member. So 1/4 is equal to 50. Okay, so there are 50 members in the drawing club. Now children, one more example you can see to try this concept once again. Here you can see this is a circle, and this circle is divided. This is 1/4 part, blue is 1/4 part, and this green is 3/4 part. Okay, and this 1/4 part shows that the children who do not like to get wet in the rain, and 3/4 children like to get wet in the rain. See the chapati chart and tell how many children like to get wet in the rain. So this is 3/4 part. So you can write 3/4 part. How many children do not like to get wet in the rain? This is 1/4 part of the circle. So answer will be 1/4 part. Children, hope you all have understood how can we read these smart charts. So do practice of these 4 types of smart chart and do all the work in your fair copy. Thank you and have a good day.